Pros and cons of living in Seattle will completely change how you look at your career and lifestyle. We will dive deep into family safety, the local people, the actual cost of living, and the happiness index. I discovered a surprising statistic about the local happiness index that completely flipped my perspective. When evaluating the pros and cons of living in Seattle, you quickly realize the quality of life is unique. Walking through the lively streets of Ballard made me realize how vibrant the neighborhoods truly are. Massive growth opportunities exist here with technology companies driving robust future growth globally. A major financial perk is that Washington state has no state income tax, which saves thousands of dollars. The local lifestyle and entertainment scene thrives on world-class coffee culture and great microbreweries. Top-tier healthcare facilities and highly ranked education options make it excellent for new residents. This reality made me pause and seriously reconsider what matters most when choosing a brand new city. Let us look at a real-world walkthrough of a typical monthly budget for a professional moving here. If you earn $100,000, you save roughly $5,000 from the tax structure. You can then reallocate those exact savings directly into the premium housing and real estate market. This financial trade-off is why the high cost of living becomes manageable for many incoming residents. That specific financial balance is the exact reason why the local happiness index ranks so incredibly high. When it comes to the safety and crime rate, you just need standard, practical big city awareness. There is a specific transit secret that completely changed how I look at the infamous daily commute. I sat quietly with the data on local weather and climate, and the numbers tell a very different story. The overcast skies and drizzly winters are simply the price you pay for beautiful, perfect summers. You can easily bypass transportation and traffic congestion by utilizing the expanding light rail network. My own time spent riding the transit system proved that living in Seattle without a car is possible. First, you should visit during the winter to test your personal tolerance for the cloudy gray weather. Second, calculate your exact salary adjustment against the current competitive housing market prices. Third, spend a weekend exploring distinct local communities to find the right neighborhood culture. Deciding where to build your life is less about finding perfection and more about choosing your trade-offs.